I'm actually doing a vegetable lo mein. I chose this dish because the supermarket is so full of like bok choy and like red peppers and things like that at the moment. And I had some edamame and some snap peas. So I wanted to go ahead and just show you a lo mein. But I bought unda noodles. I would definitely try and use soba noodles. They're a little bit more healthier. They do contain a little bit more fiber, but everything's in moderation. Right, so first of all, I have some sesame oil and I'm heating it like it's nice and hot. I kind of got that started. I grated some ginger early this morning, so I'm going to put that in the oil. Turn that up a little bit. I like to hear it sizzle a little bit more than that. I didn't realise. And then I have some fresh garlic. Loads of ginger and garlic. I feel like can't go wrong. It smells delicious. Right, so while that's sauteing, with the noodles, I have a pack open. I'm only going to do a little bit of noodles because I already made a dish previously. Once they're soft, they go soft very quick, a lot quicker than pasta. I'm going to just stick them in this water. You don't really need to salt this because it does come. We are going to make a soy sauce which has plenty of salt that will coat the noodles. All right, so I'm going to just drop that in the water and let that cook for a few minutes. Then I'm going to start adding my veggies. And I have my wok here. Right, so I'm going to add the carrots. They always take the longest, although I try to cut them as small as possible. I have some yellow peppers, some red. I can put mushrooms in as well. Mushrooms, I'm going to put them in next because they should have gone in probably first. Some orange bell peppers. Start a little bit. And the smell is actually really, really good. Shiitake mushrooms. I usually use portobello, but you know, shiitake is a really nice option, and you know, mushrooms are really good for you. If you don't like them, you don't have to eat them. All right, so I'm going to add this, patty, edamame, and then right at the end, I'll put the bok choy in just for a couple of minutes. Okay, so this is the sauce. Right, so I'm going to do half a cup of soy sauce. Okay, soy. I'm going to do a tablespoon of honey. Another tablespoon of sesame oil. And I'm going to a teaspoon of oyster sauce. Oh, I went over. Yes, never mind. So it'll be great. And we're going to pour sauce because it's going to make it thick, like in the veggies when it's ready. So this is just half a teaspoon. If it's still loose, you can always add more. And stir that up. Get the lumps out of it. Put this over. And you see that's looking beautiful. The colours are beautiful. I'm going to add the bok choy. Just cut this up a little bit. Just put the smaller ones in for now. So there it is anyway. Right, I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes. And then I'll add the sauce after. In the meantime, I did get a plate ready. Okay, the Indian noodles are nearly cooked. I'm going to simmer them for like a few more minutes. So this is the stir fry. I garnished it with spring onion and some sesame seeds. And because we're talking about hydration, cucumber is an excellent sauce for being hydrated. So I did a cucumber and lime water this morning. You know, and it's so quick. This recipe, I mean, the chopping takes a little bit of time, but you can always meal prep, you know, some of your ingredients. This is how quick this meal comes together. And as you see, very quickly.